Peas, eating goober peas. Goodness, how delicious, eating goober peas.
Photography has been around since long before the Civil War. In fact, the first modern photograph was taken in 1839 by Louis Daguerreau. Photography quickly evolved to the Civil War era wet plate collodion process. This process involved a negative image on a glass plate with black paper backing it to make the image appear positive. There were many variations of this method during the Civil War. Some of these were tintypes and ambrotypes. What makes people think that photography was invented during the Civil War is the extent to which it was used during that time. Not only was this one of the first events to be photographed extensively, this was the first war ever photographed. Because of this, the Civil War became a public war. It was brought home to civilians. They could see the horror of war, which quickly led to its unpopularity. These photographs are also one of the reasons the Civil War is so extensively studied today. Because of Civil War photography, we can get an idea of what the war was really like and how they fought. Some of the photography resources we have are 3D photos, then and now photos, and repositioned photographs. Many photos during the Civil War were taken in 3D. This was done by burning the image on 2 pieces of glass spaced eye width apart. Today we've taken these original images and made them into blue and red color 3D. A great way to use these is for students that can't get out on a battlefield. They can get the depth and perspective of the landscape without actually being there. While on the battlefield, these can be used to better understand the layout of fortifications and casualties that were on the field. Then and now photos are a neat resource all around. They can create a very powerful message by showing how battlefields have been changed and developed over time, or they can be used to help people find places on the battlefield that might be hard to identify by original pictures. One of my favorite things to do with Civil War photography is to recreate pictures. This is a very hands-on activity that can be done anywhere. Students can recreate pictures in their classroom, or if they get the opportunity, they can take it to the next level and recreate scenes right on the battlefield. They can even use these to create their very own then and now pictures. No matter how Civil War photography is used, when combined with the preserved battlefields we have to enjoy, it is a great resource for teachers and lifetime learners. The Civil War Trust is a great resource for Civil War photography. They can be accessed at www.civilwar.org. Besides photography, there are tons of other educational resources available about the Civil War on their website.